Greetings, Kevin Amrine here, Florida Insurance School Continuing Education, back with another promo video for our weekly email newsletter going out to many of the fine folks in the insurance industry in the great state of Florida. This is the week of April the 27th, the final week, the month of April, the first week, the month of May, and we've got a couple of things going on this week I want to tell you about as we close out a fine month here of webinars here at the FISCE. This week, whole lot of ethics and a whole lot of me. So we got 4 webinars going on the schedule this week, 3 of which are taught by yours truly. For anybody that waited until the final week of April to get their CE, well, you're going to get a healthy dose of me. I'll let you decide if that's a good thing or a bad thing. And then we've got one other webinar going on I'll tell you about here in just a minute. But let me run through the schedule for you here on Tuesday from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Now, all these times are Eastern time for my friends in the Western Panhandle. So on Tuesday the 28th, we have a 5-hour law and ethics update course. That one is for property and casualty licensees. So the 220s out there, the 440s out there, there are other license types that one is approved for as well. That's that 5-hour law and ethics class that everybody loves so much. Join me. We'll have a good time, believe it or not, going through that material. And then that afternoon, as if 5 hours with me weren't enough, you can join me for 1 hour of CE from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. That course is called An Hour with Me, Kevin. Drones, Insuring Innovators, Enthusiasts, and Idiots. We get a lot of questions about drones, but a lot of businesses, trying to work drones into their business models these days, especially these days. And we'll talk a lot about all that fun stuff. Then on Wednesday the 29th, you've got me for another hour from 11 a.m. to noon. That one's called An Hour with Kevin, Annoying Personal Auto Problems and Their Solutions. So we'll spend a little bit of time on some personal auto issues there. And then that afternoon from 1 to 4 p.m., another ethics topic, but this one's a little different. It's not the mandatory 5-hour law and ethics course, a little different. It's called Culture, Ethics, and E&O, The Right Way to Run an Agency. And that webinar is taught by legendary Florida insurance instructor Terry Tadlock, who now runs an agency up in the Hilton Head, South Carolina area. Between his experience teaching insurance for many years, working in agencies for many years, working for regulators over the years, and now being a principal of an agency, a very successful agency, you're not going to find anybody out there with much more experience in this business than Terry. And he's, well, for anybody who knows Terry or has seen Terry, you can't look away from the guy. He's unbelievable. So you're going to love his presentation. It is going to be an awesome week this week at the FISCE. I hope that you'll join us. I am wishing you all happiness possible, all healthiness possible, and I hope that maybe we'll see you in one of our webinars this week. Cheers, everybody.